Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Unapologetically Mocha, and on this channel we talk all things craft and crochet. I do craft tutorials, crochet tutorials, pattern tutorials, yarn hauls, yarn reviews. I try out and talk about different tools and gadgets. It's a little bit of everything. If it's craft or crochet related, it's my jam. Today I am here though with something a little different. Yes, I know. 2 videos, 2 days in a row of me doing something different. Can you handle it? Anyway, Crystal at Bag-O-Day Crochet recently uploaded a video showing how she films her crochet tutorials, and at the end of it, she said that now that she had shown us her setup, she wanted to see ours. So that's what I'm doing today. So this is my setup for when I'm just talking to the camera, not to the camera, but talking to you guys through the camera. And I use a webcam that I bought off Amazon and my laptop. So I'm looking at the camera and it's recording on my laptop. Now when I'm doing crochet tutorials, I also use the webcam, but I move it to a different location. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and switch things around so you can see my setup for when I am filming a tutorial. So I will be right back. And we're back. So I've switched my setup around so that my webcam is now sitting basically in a coffee cup. It's on a mini tripod sitting in a coffee cup and it's pointed down. And that allows me to put my hands in front of the webcam so you can see what I'm doing. And then I just look at the screen and I film. Or sometimes I look over the webcam. It just depends on what I'm doing. Sometimes one is easier than the other. Today nothing seems to be easy because my hands don't want to work. Don't know why. I think I'm just kind of tired because I've been putting in a lot of crochet hours. But, writing patterns and such. The life of a crocheter. It's rough, I'll tell you, rough. But anyway, so I put my hands in front of the webcam and I film the tutorial. I used to film from above, but I think I said this in my last pattern tutorial. I wasn't getting close enough for you to see stitches, and it was bugging me. Oh, I just completely missed that. So I fiddled around until I found a better setup, and this is what I settled on. And so far, I like it. I mean, it allows me to be able to see what I'm doing. You guys can see what I'm doing. It's a much better setup. But yeah, this is how I film my tutorials. I mean, if you really want to see how well it works, go check out my Let It Flow summer shawl tutorial. Because I'm way more fluid in that one than I am today. For whatever reason, I'm just not. It's a good thing I don't have any hardcore tutorial planned for the next couple of days, because I think that would be torture to film right now. I really just need to take a break, but who has time for that? You know how it works. Anyway. Okay. Come on. Yeah, I'm struggling today, folks. Sorry. Some days I can crank it out, and other days it's a struggle to get a single stitch done. That's one of those days. Anyway, that's how I film. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna go back to my face now. Hang on. And we're back again. I forgot to mention that I put a cloth, I'm just going to hold it up, what you saw me crocheting over is a cloth that I put down. It's a light color, so the stitches show up better whether I'm using a light yarn or a dark yarn. And I also have a light that I use, but since I'm recording with the webcam, I couldn't exactly turn it around to show you the light. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture, right here, of what the entire setup looks like when I'm actually filming a tutorial. Like I said before, when I'm filming just a regular video, I use the webcam, but I'll also use my iPhone. I use my iPhone mainly if I'm out and about someplace and I want to do I want to film a yarn haul or I'm outside crocheting, what have you. And if I do that, then I edit on my iPad using iMovie. On my laptop, I edit the tutorials with Windows Movie Editor. It's great. I mean, it works. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to bump up to because I can't do a lot of transitions and stuff with it, so that's kind of limiting. So I'm going to shop around and see what other video editors I might want to use. I have Premiere, but it doesn't work well with my laptop. But I think it's because my laptop is so old. I mean, it's like 4 years old. It's a Lenovo, so it's a workhorse. But I'm finding that it's not running high-end programs as well as it was, and Premiere is resource hog. So I'm either going to up my laptop game or I'm going to find another editor. I mean, I know a lot of people love Premiere Pro. I'm not really a fan. I mean, it's okay, and I know that it's like YouTube staple, but I'm actually shopping for something else. But anyway, that's my setup. That's how I film my stuff. And if you found this interesting, go ahead and give me a like button. Also, on a side note, you know, I challenge you. How do you film your stuff? Let me see. It can't be any weirder or jankier than mine, because if you could see what was on the left and the right of me, you would freak, because it's chaos. It's too much chaos. I really need to clean this up. I need to figure out a better system. But anyway, I'd love to see how you film yours. And that's what I have to say. Thanks for stopping. I'll be back with my regularly scheduled videos either later this week or next week. I'm at 189 subscribers. I'm coming up on 190. And you know what that means. When I hit 200, there's a giveaway. So like and share. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so that you'll know when I upload my next videos. I've got tutorials, both pattern and stitch tutorials coming up. I've got some unboxings coming up. A couple of hauls. I might even actually take a haul on the road and go visit like Michael's or something, because I haven't been there in a while. There's also a couple of local yarn stores that really aren't local to me. They're like an hour away, but I'm really curious to see what they have, so I may actually film that too. But anyway, like I said, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you know when I upload whatever it is I decide to upload. You can always count on my uploads to be one of two things, or two things. Relatively interesting, and as this one is, and the one before it, full of incoherent rambling. But you guys said you liked that, so I'm all about giving my audience what they want. Anyway, thanks for hanging, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!